Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy ChrisPrime FRT. I'm back again with another video. Today I got a new look. Well, not a new look. You guys already know about the new look with the stripes and everything, but I got something else in mind I'm about to do. I've spoken about it before. It was about my headlights. Finally got them in. Shout out OneUpLighting. No offense against lighting trends. That just went completely left when I tried to make it happen. Didn't work. So shout out OneUpLighting. Hopefully everything goes as planned, because last time didn't go that great. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys saw the video from the last one. If not, I'll drop another clip in here. Alright, so it's currently like 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7 o'clock. And the freaking halo light works. That's it. The bars are inconsistent. That went so left. And I was hot. I was pissed. I've been trying to get my headlights done for the longest. It was like one of the first mods I wanted to get done. But it required so much. It required money, time, and precision that two of the three things I didn't have. The money and time. I got the precision because I was able to do it. But yeah, it's finally time to try out a new set of headlights. These look a little more simpler. Nothing against lighting trends. I appreciate you guys. You guys are real helpful. You tried to help me out. I think it was just something I did wrong, and I might have messed it up, but it is what it is. I kind of I was out of the warranty to get them sent back and whatnot. My bad, it's kind of hot. Had to open the door. So yeah, I'm gonna pretty much attempt with these. Hopefully it goes well. Time to take my bumper off again. Lord knows how much I hate that. And I ain't ready for it. But yeah, I gotta do that. Especially I need to check on these lights. They've been held together with duct tape for, it's been like at least 4 months. Cause I think I tried it in January. Yeah, I think it was January, because it was right before I had my surgery. And wait, no. What? I don't know, I don't remember. I'll check the tape. But yeah, anywho, time for me to get started on this. This probably won't be much of a tutorial to show how to do it, because I'll be skipping a big process like the open up the headlights, which for me was already done. As you guys recall, I did it previously and I just never sealed them back. So this time I'm going to attempt to hopefully get these headlights to work. If they work, I'm going to reseal them, so it'll be permanent. So this way my car lights won't be held together again by duct tape, which I'm really just not trying to have again. So that's pretty much it. Gonna get started. And oh, by the way, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the comment button. Well, no, hit the comment button, but comment, and you know, the hoodie back, hit the subscribe button. Had to wash it. It's been a minute. I ain't like it. It's getting kind of liney, and I'm not a fan of it. But yeah, so let me get started. So it's not an all-day thing like it was before. Last time I was working till it was dark, and I don't want to do that again, especially when I started last. It wasn't daylight saving time. Oh, so yeah, it had to have been early. It had to have been like in the beginning of the year, because it's now daylight saving time. All right, I'll get back at you guys.
Foot on the gas, vroom, vroom. I am forever running this. I'm at the top and you under this. Blink in your eyes and you gonna miss it. Just like I'm Shadow, vroom, vroom. Charged up and I'm on a mission to be the best that had ever did it. Competition tapping out, submitting. You can be what you wanna be. Like money back is a guarantee. You must have the vision, you gotta see it. I am the...
Finally making progress. Shout out to my cousin for coming through, helping a brother out. Appreciate that, my cousin. Yeah. It looks good. Right. That's all about app test. Officially lit.
He's like, oh, well, you coming to pick Kathy? I'm like, no. So I'm like, no, I got somebody in my car. like, y'all be wanting to drop her off. So then you're like, oh, I got the girls, I can't drop her off, I got to wait till your mom comes back. That's personal. I might not to do with that. I said, I got somebody in my car. He's about something. Who you got? You said ain't no nigga in your car anyway. It's Thursday. Why you got a man in your car on a Thursday? First of all, I had one in my car on any.
That's what I want. I want that blue picture. That's all I need.
What's under the seat is not a secret. Never call Link and I gotta G it. Run up on me, I still love Easter. Betty right next to me with a big keister. Wet interior might have to clean up. This calls me cheese, girl, mama mia. I'm talking that Visa, no, not no pizza. We can do what we want, they not gonna.
911, what is your emergency?
Yo. Oh, Chris, this for you, bro. For your YouTube and shit. You can use it, you ain't gotta use it, it don't matter. I just did this shit because I want to see if I could do it. Yeah. 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 It ain't about the races or places we've been. It ain't about relationships, 'cause those always end. I don't wanna blow up without all my friends. And I ain't wanna grow up, but that always ends. And that shit depends, that's how it begins. Tires be squeaking, doing donuts on weekends. They think we tweaking, wildin' for no reason. But this is the season, I just want views. Shadow on the move, and I gotta make it, paying my dues. And that's just the truth, and I never fake it. We just gotta make it blow, we just gotta get that dough, gotta get that cream. Long as I got my bros, there's no place that we can go, just me and my team. They just wanna job my flow, that's against the guidelines though. It's FRT, no time for sideline hoes. If it ain't about my bros, it ain't about me. We just gotta make it blow, we just gotta get that dough, gotta get that cream. Long as I got my bros, there's no place that we can go, just me and my team. They just wanna job my flow, that's against the guidelines though. It's FRT, no time for sideline hoes. If it ain't about my bros, it ain't about me. It's FRT. Yeah, it's FRT.
What we want, they not gonna see it. Tent is dark like Black Panther's people. If we get caught, we just throw the piece up. Engine is strong, call it Batiste. We gone, pedal to the metal in a second. We gone. I know I break the rules, I'm a rebel and roll. I know my heart cold like the winter, but I still ride with my niggas. We gone, pedal to the metal in a second. We gone. I know I break the rules, I'm a rebel and roll. I know my heart cold like the winter, but I still ride with my niggas. Yo, but I still ride with my niggas. Yo. But I still ride with my niggas.
Well, that's the end result. It came out really good. I'm so happy to finally have this done. Stripe still looking good. A little bit of peeling from, I took the bumper off, kind of messed them up. But as I said, temporary. So I'll take care of the official ones when I finally get those done. But yeah, we all good. Came out good. Changing and everything. Well, I'm so ready to go home. Well, home. I'm done. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video for the day. Headlights are on, they're good, they look good. Finally happy to have that done. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So, ChrisPrime, FRT, I'm out. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment button, leave a comment, subscribe, and share. Much appreciated. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day.